What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the park. It is beautiful outside and I have something that I wanted to share with you guys. I received a package in the mail. This is a pair of glasses by the company Firmoo. I'm not really too sure how to pronounce it, but they're all over Instagram. It's basically one of those trendy sites, kind of like a Warby Parker, a Lingo, one of those. But yeah, we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna get a first impressions. We're gonna see what's in this. And I'm pretty excited because I picked these out and they look beautiful online. So let's hope that's how they are in person. But if you guys are interested in seeing my review on Firmoo, then keep on watching. Guys, again, we are back at it with yet another outdoor video. I can't get enough of being outside lately. I just keep thinking like the long, disgusting winter is coming. So I have to just invest as much time as possible outdoors. Yes, I am wearing my black movement glasses, guys. These are, can't get enough of them. Wearing all black. It is October. I'm living my full Coven fantasy right now. You know how it is. But there was a flock of birds over there making the loudest noise, so that's gone. But we still have a road over there, so you guys might hear some cars. I don't know, but let's just hope this is a peaceful video. The sun is like blinding in my face, so I'm keeping these glasses on for as long as I can, and my summer tan is gone, guys. I'm legit Casper the Friendly Ghost. I'm Caucasian in the house right now. This is as white as it gets. If you guys have any recommendations for maybe like a self tanner that I can use that will not turn me orange, leave it in a comment down below because I could probably benefit from some color over here. But yes, we're reviewing Firmoo. We're just gonna call it Firmoo throughout this video. I did open up the bag just to see if this was indeed them, because packaging for this, I have to say, is very basic. No box, just comes in a yellow envelope. I don't know how I feel about that, but these are the glasses. Comes in a little dust bag right here. It says Firmoo. Cute little logo right there, if you guys can see that. But it says your preferred online eyewear store. One-on-one service, save up to 90%. They have a lot of deals, a lot of savings when it comes to their glasses. They have tons of options, I must say. I'm gonna leave a link down below, of course, if you guys want to check these out. But these are a pair that this is my honest truth. Their glasses are not named anything normal. Their glasses go by like numbers and letters, which if you're familiar with Warby Parker, for example, they're called Percy, Donatella, Gail, you name it, just like normal names. This one that I'm about to show you is SJ5447M open parenthesis C1 close parenthesis. All right, that's okay, but here we go. This is a plastic case. It says Firmoo right there. This is very flimsy. I don't know how I feel about this, but this is the glasses. It's very simple, but the glasses for Firmoo, I'm going to be honest and upfront with you guys. They're very affordable, very trendy, very cheap. Hopefully the quality is there, but I'm just making this statement very clear. You get what you pay for. These are cheap glasses, okay? All right, there we go. It's now opened. Big enough just to fit the glasses in there, maybe a little dust rag. And here we are with the bag. Let's see how these look. There's a dust rag right there, does say Firmoo on it, and a little microfiber cloth. And there we have it. These are the glasses. First impression, guys, these are definitely very nice. I have to say, they don't look as cheap as I thought they were going to. Not gonna lie, these definitely are very sharp looking. The edges are kind of like a goldish color, and they have black accents, which I'm living for. As you can see, black right now is definitely a color that I'm rocking, so I might as well just put these on. Let's see how they look. God, sun, killing me. All right, I have to say, these definitely fit well on my face. They're very clear. These are prescription glasses, by the way, guys. I didn't just get the lenses to be cool. These are my prescription, which I have actually pretty good eyes. It's almost like 20/20 vision, but I have astigmatism in my one eye, so just to have that 20/20 eyesight, I get glasses, okay? To read, to write, to drive my car at nighttime, to look on the computer, that's what they're for. I must say though, first impression wise, in the viewfinder, they definitely do look pretty sharp. I'm liking the black accent. They're very subtle. They're kind of big, if you ask me, but when I seen them online, I was hoping they were going to be on the oversized side. I kind of like that grandpa-esque type of look. It's kind of cool. I don't know, but I have a lot of glasses that look very similar. I don't have an aviator style prescription glasses, so these are honestly perfect. And for the price that they are, you guys, this is an extreme steal. Let me actually fill you in a little bit more on like how the prices go. I'm just gonna switch these out for my sunglasses before I create more wrinkles and go blind from the sun and yeah, all that nonsense. There we go, and that is much better. Guys, price wise, I'm gonna leave the price right here because I'm honestly not 100% certain how exactly much these cost. I do know that more you add onto the glasses, whether it's a tint, a color, some additional protection, the price does raise. So although they are a very affordable sunglass and prescription glass and frame type of website, the price does go up depending on what you want to add to it additionally. But I mean, that's honestly very common when it comes to glass stores, sunglass stores, you know, those type of stores. So to me, that's not anything out of the ordinary. Definitely worth checking out. I mean, I must say, for the price, guys, these are pretty good. I mean, they're a little lighter than I was hoping. They do feel really cheap, but it's all about the look. It's all about the opulence. You know what I mean? They look good. They don't feel too great. They don't feel luxurious. They don't have that heavy quality to them, but they look good and they do the job. Prescription wise, I can see out of it. So we'll see how long they last me. I'll keep you guys updated. You know, if they break or something, I'll just let you guys know in another video. But first impression wise, I'm liking these glasses, guys. Check out Firmoo. They're pretty cool. Firmoo, for some reason, just like reminds me of like a cow. I don't know. Kind of want to show you guys how the lake looks right now on this beautiful day. So bear with me here. This is a lake that's like by my house. I wouldn't even consider this a lake because it's so tiny, but it's very pretty. There's a lot of nice looking trees around. There's a dock right there. Some trails behind the woods. A dog park up there. I feel like I'm just rambling on now, guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying your day, whatever time of day it is. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video. Share the love. You know the drill. But until next time, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.